Hey guys, Smitty here with Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing something that it seems like everybody else is doing, and I normally don't do that kind of thing, but this has got me curious. Smoked cream cheese coming to you right now on Just Piddlin Barbecue. Alright, so today we're going to do some smoked cream cheese, and I've seen it done a lot of different ways. First of all, I'm starting off with some Philadelphia cream cheese, and to me, you can do a lot of generic things, but don't go generic with cream cheese because it's not very good. I've tried it before. This is straight out of the refrigerator. You want to try to get it as cold as you can so you can work with it a little bit. But I'm going to do this smoked cream cheese on the Traeger Tailgater today. 225 degrees for probably about 2 hours using some hickory pellets. And I'm going to use this silicone mat. I'm just going to turn it over on this silicone mat so that it doesn't stick. We're going to be topping it with some Meat Church Honey Hog. Now most people, they'll take a knife and they'll cross hatch it or put some kind of design in it. But I kind of like things to be even, and I thought, you know, this thing is pretty evenly spaced out, so I'm just going to make an indentation with this little mesh rack right here. Try to get it to come back off just like that, so that'll be pretty cool. And then I'm going to top it with some Meat Church Honey Hog. Try to get an even coating on it. See if we can get the sides too. On the ends. I'll put a little bit underneath to get the underside and then touch up the top. That looks pretty good. Now, as I said, we're going to go on the Traeger Tailgater, 225 degrees for probably about 2 hours. And then when we bring it back in, I'm going to top it with some homemade habanero pepper jelly made by my man Cole here locally. And we're going to try it out. I'm a little nervous about this because I think it's going to be really hot, but we're going to try it out. So let's get out there and put it on the tailgater. All right, so we've got the tailgater running at 225 degrees. Slide this right on the silicone mat. And I'll put a link in the description box below of this video to these silicone mats. You can pick those up on Amazon. Close the lid and let it go. All right guys, we've had this cream cheese on for 2 hours at 225 degrees. Now we're fixing to take it off. And it has kind of expanded a little bit. We're going to take it inside, let it cool off a minute. Then we're going to top it with that habanero pepper jelly and give it a taste and see how it does. All right guys, just to recap, we took a block of Philadelphia cream cheese. We put some grid marks in it using a little bacon rack. I'll put a link in the description box to that bacon rack and the silicone mat. So you can get those off of Amazon if you like. We seasoned it with some Meat Church Honey Hog. One of my favorites, has a little bit of sweetness to it with that granulated honey in it. Put it on the Traeger Tailgater for 2 hours at 225 degrees. And then took it off, brought it in here, let it cool for a little bit. And a quick tip, if you want to cool it off quickly, you can put it in your fridge or for say 15 minutes in the freezer for maybe 5 minutes just to knock off that heat, and then take it out. We put it in a dish. I went ahead and put some of our homemade habanero pepper jelly made here locally by my buddy Cole. Appreciate it, Cole. And now we're fixing to give it a try. I got a feeling that this habanero pepper jelly is going to be hot, but I think the flavors with this smoked cream cheese is going to be on point. So let's go ahead and give it a taste and see how we did. I really like cream cheese. I've never had the smoked cream cheese, so let's try it. I mean, that's good. You do get, at first you don't get the smoke, but right there at the end you do get the smoke. And the pepper gel is actually really good. It's not overpoweringly hot. Now, I think if I just really smothered it with it, it would be too much, but that's really good. There's a little bit of the heat. But again, it's not like crazy hot. That's a great recipe. The good thing about doing the smoked cheese, smoked cream cheese, is you can make it whatever you want to make it. So versatile, you can do whatever you want to with it. Try this recipe, but make it your own. Send me some pictures on Instagram, Facebook. Send me an email. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you did it. Let me know how you changed it up. But give this a try. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. And until next time, we'll be piddling. See you guys.